Hey, I'm Jordan, a senior solution consultant with Dassault Systèmes. But more importantly than that, I'm a DIYer, a designer, and a die-hard SOLIDWORKS user just like the other 5 million across the globe. SOLIDWORKS completely changed the design industry when it hit the streets, and it's come a really long way since then. But I still run into customers struggling with communication, collaboration, hardware specs. The list is always much bigger than just CAD functionality. Well, I've recently adopted the most exciting tech in my entire career, and I think it's about time we prepare ourselves for this next big technology shift. Before my generation, CAD was a very expensive endeavor. Thankfully, technology evolved and we were saved by the Windows operating system. At the time, no one thought it could handle CAD. But SOLIDWORKS proved them wrong, rewrote history, and now they're about ready to do it again. 25 years later, SOLIDWORKS is answering the ever-growing business demands of over 250,000 customers worldwide. Sometimes it seems like there's nothing SOLIDWORKS can't do. Until you consider the capabilities of Dassault Systèmes' other brands. From biomechanics to aerospace, to ridiculous nonlinear simulations, to exact digital replicas of the human heart and entire cities. The capabilities of each brand are unreal. And that's why Dassault Systèmes merged them onto a unified platform, fully hosted on the cloud. There are now 7,500 R&D employees working together as a singular, unstoppable force to bring you the ultimate design platform. 3DEXPERIENCE. It handles all of your document storage, project collaboration, and of course, communication on the cloud, on any device, anywhere. More power with less hardware and zero IT overhead. And everything is centered around 3D design. So of course, those apps are fully cloud-based too. Xdesign has all the essential features you'd expect. Whether you're using a mouse or a touch device, the user interface is exceptional, and it comes packed with never-before-seen capabilities that help me pull off crazy modeling challenges like switching a revolve to a sweep without even messing up the rest of my model. Xshape is another CAD app, but not for your traditional modeling workflows. Here, you'll start with a digital hunk of clay and mold it into any shape you can imagine. Just push and pull it into place. I love surface modeling, but even if you have no experience with it, you could still pick this app up in minutes. And there's so much more. Cloud-based data management, even for SOLIDWORKS Desktop, automatically curated analytics and business insights, and simulation capabilities way beyond what we're used to. The best part, we're only getting started. CAD has gone through a few growth spurts so far, but we're embarking on the biggest one yet. So what's your plan? Does your company have a cloud initiative? Could you benefit from the mobility, the power, the cutting-edge modeling workflows offered on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform? If you can't wait to get your hands on these new tools, sign up for a free trial, and maybe we can collaborate. Until then, I have a long list of projects I've never been able to tackle until now, so I'm going to get busy.